Hello everyone. In last week's video, I said it was video 5. It wasn't. It was video 4. This is video 5. Please accept my apologies. In this week's video, we're going to look at that strange little mark that appears between letters in written English. Let's go. A couple of episodes ago, we looked at the difference between there, and there. In this episode, we will look at the apostrophe, the little line that appears in there again. It causes a lot of confusion when writing in English, even for native speakers, and yet it's really simple to understand. There are 3 things to remember. We use the apostrophe, 1, to show 2 words have been connected. This is called a contraction. We sometimes connect 2 words to make 1 shorter word. We use an apostrophe to show that we've left out 1 or more letters. Look at these examples. Do not, don't. They don't like salt in their food. It is, it's. It's a long way to walk. Is not, isn't. Isn't that such a pretty dress? You have, you've broken my watch. Cannot, can't. We can't tell your father. Will not, won't. She won't eat any vegetables. An apostrophe is used to shorten WH words when they are followed by is, has, had, and would. For example, what's he doing? Or who'd like some coffee? It's important to remember we use apostrophe S for has and is. She's seen that movie already. He's my brother. We use apostrophe D for had and would. They'd never been to Japan before. She'd love to live in the USA. 2. Apostrophe plus S shows possession. When we show who owns something or has a close relationship with something, we use an apostrophe plus S after the name or the noun. When the noun is plural, we put the apostrophe after the S. Is that Frank's camera? There was a big teachers' conference last week in Mexico City. 3. We use apostrophe with time. We can use an apostrophe plus S to show duration. When the time noun is plural, the apostrophe comes after the S. For me, writing an essay involves at least an hour's work. It was just 10 minutes walk from the house to my office. When we write the time, we sometimes use o'clock. For example, 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock. A typical error when using the apostrophe, even for English writers, is the possessive it's, where we don't use an apostrophe. For example, the university is very proud of its gardens. Note, it's not of it apostrophe s gardens. If you like this channel and find it useful, please give it a thumbs up and also click the subscription button down here and the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. You can also make a donation to the channel by PayPal by clicking on the link that's down in the description over here. I hope to see you here again soon. Bye bye.